Hi, I'm Zhou. I would like to introduce you today the results from my research, the resolution of Atan2-Function. Rotor position sensors are widely used in our daily life, where the Atan2-Function is mostly applied. The Atan2-Function contains systematic errors and stochastic errors. The systematic errors can be compensated today completely, while the stochastic error can only be reduced. Furthermore, the sensor accuracy of a compensated sensor only depends on the sensor resolution. In an industrial application, the accuracy should be increased. Thus, the systematic errors are already compensated. The stochastic error should be reduced. The resolution of the sensor depends on the resolution of sensor input signals. For the low-cost industrial application, it makes no sense to put too much money in order to get perfect input signals. Therefore, the expression of the resolution of Atan2-Function must be derived in order to make an efficient estimation. How much noise of input signal should be reduced? At first, an approximation of an one-dimensional simulation was made. After that, the mathematical expression was derived. Finally, the general equation for the resolution of Atan2-Function is found. A further validation shows a good performance of this equation. I hope it will help us to improve sensor applications. Thank you.